So guys, welcome. In this video, I will show you how we can rename the sheet, because in Excel, there are the projects where we have thousands of sheets. So how can we rename those sheets? So in order to rename the sheets, just go here. Like as of now, there's table 1. So in order to rename it, just right click and you will see the option rename. Also, you can delete it, you can make a copy or something, or you can also view the code. So what if I want to rename it, like for maybe sheet 1, something like this. In order to create multiple sheets, just hit this plus. It's like to add the new sheet. Hit there, sheet 2 is added. If I want to rename, like maybe exotic, I want to create another sheet, I will just hit plus new sheet. I will rename it to like tech. So this is the way you can rename your existing, or you want to create new sheet, you can directly rename those sheets. In order to delete the sheets, just right click and delete it, and it will ask you, it will be deleted permanently. So just delete this. Now it's gone. You can delete, or you can also change the tab color. In order to change the tab color, maybe I can choose this one, blue. This looks nice. So this is the way how you can change the tab colors. Let me do this one more time. Yellow. Look, it's looking good, right? And also you can play with this more, because there are other options you can do. Let me try one thing more. Is it possible to make them bold? So sheet is independent to these header, so you can't do this. Okay, so this is the way you can play with your sheets. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Thanks.